I have a question in regards to Google Ads. Should I pay any attention to Google optimization score and recommendations? Right now, it's saying that my campaign is at 0% optimized and is recommending I make a lot of changes that would go against how you set up things up in QG. So this is a word for everyone. When Google inevitably reaches out to you and says, hey, would you like some help optimizing your campaign? There's all this stuff that's wrong in your ad account and I can really help you, right? Never listen to those guys. They want to murder your money. As crazy as that seems, like, you know, I've been doing this for a long time. And we're the highest level of support and partnership from an agency perspective that you can get with Google. And, you know, they send people out to my offices every month and it's the whole dog and pony show. And, you know, every recommendation that they've told me has always wasted me money. And it's a very sad thing to say, but they're really aligned with you rolling out new features, spending as much money and not necessarily getting the best cost per lead. So if your cost per, the ultimate thing that we're going for, Zach, is the cost per lead. That is our North Star when we're running it, right? And the ROI that we're getting from that. There will be things that you can definitely tighten up with your campaign, but I'm sure that if your cost per lead is all within, like, you know, KPI, that's the main thing that you worry about. You can disregard a lot of the stuff that they are saying. So yeah, that's my advice on that one for now, right? Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag #HeySabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.